Your pre-market summary for Friday, July 15th. Futures back in positive territory this morning ahead of a key economic reading. Once again, we'll get retail sales for June coming up at 8:30 this morning. And then following that at 10 a.m., a University of Michigan sentiment reading, also a University of Michigan reading on inflation. So a couple of key notes there coming up this morning. That's the way futures stand right now. It is the Dow leading the way, 0.5% back to the upside. Remember, it was the NASDAQ that led the charge at a negative territory yesterday. It was the only one out of the three here that ended the session on Thursday back in positive territory. Both the Dow and S&P close slightly lower, but back to the upside this morning. TSX futures here in Toronto, 0.2% to the upside so far. Crude is higher. We'll talk about energy markets once again this morning. Crazy volatility all week long. Once again, Bitcoin, Ethereum back to the upside as well. Yeah, futures crawling higher with more bank earnings to deal with this morning. We get Wells Fargo out pre-market here. Not good for Wells Fargo on the forecast as well, but not exactly exciting either. It is actually trying to get back to the upside. This one, however, a little more exciting. Pinterest. Yeah, big move late in the day yesterday. We'll talk about Pin shares here. Not higher pre-market, but in that range from late in the day after Elliott disclosed a 9% stake in Pinterest, which could see further developments coming in that deal. Yeah, TSM yesterday, big earnings report, much better than expected. All the chip makers very strong on that. We're watching Micron leading the way actually this morning in the pre-market. AMD showing some strength as well. So chip makers could be worth a trade coming up this morning. As I mentioned, Wells Fargo out with a profit miss and some bad loan preparation coming for WFC. Alibaba's shares, yeah, big move down yesterday on that probe into a possible data breach. And we'll talk about Meta here. Big Instagram outage late in the day yesterday. Meta not really doing anything this morning. It's basically flat, but back in positive territory. Grab the watch list, guys. Going to be an exciting Friday morning. Hope you enjoyed the week. We'll see you shortly on TraderTV.Live.